Hey traders, it's Roberto. Today is Thursday, the 1st of July, and in this tutorial, I'm going to just go over simple strategy, 5-minute chart, trading gold. And I use the Smart Trader platform because I like that it highlights reversal candlestick patterns. So let me just go over a few strategies. I actually just missed one trade just putting this video together. Let me just pull this down a bit. So you can see there was one reversal candlestick pattern after 15 minutes of a rally. And all I do is add a resistance um, indicator and shows me that at this level of resistance, a bearish shooting star appeared, and that's our sell signal. And look at the reaction to this candle right here. Previous to that, about a half an hour ago, there was another sell signal. Bearish dark cloud, take the trade on the next candle, managed to make a couple of dollars on this trade right there. And this one, which I just missed. There it was. There was a trade. You wait for this candle to close. Retraced a bit, then just turned around, and so far it put in almost $6. Okay. So I'm going to wait for the next opportunity. I'll pause my tape. So before that, let me just show you what I normally like using is stochastics indicator settings of 14, 5, and 3. And I'm looking for overbought and oversold stochastics and a candlestick reversal pattern. There was one here early in the day, and then this shot up about almost, well, if you would have stayed in, obviously you would have made, close to $6, which is substantial even on a micro account, a mini lot of 0.1. So I'm going to wait for this retracement to finish, wait for a candlestick pattern, wait for stochastics to be oversold, and hopefully there will be a short buying opportunity. So let me just pause the tape. I'll come back to the next buying opportunity on gold. Okay, price came back down to a previous support, and I'm not ready to enter this trade because I need for this 5-minute candle to close, starting to develop a tweezer bottom. So I'm going to wait for that candle to finish, and if it closes the way it looks right now, I'll take the trade, put my stop loss below 17.22, and just try to capture $2 to $3 to the upside. I'll pause the tape. I'll just come back in a few minutes. Okay, the 5-minute candle has closed. It is a tweezer bottom. I'm going to wait for a little bit more of a pullback, and I'm just going to go ahead and buy it. And my stop loss is below the support. Again, I'm only trying to capture $2 on each of these trades. It is a 5-minute chart, and I do notice that most of the trades, most of the volatility on a 5-minute chart, usually you can make about $1 to $2. So we're going to stay in this trade until we're in profit. And here it is down here. Okay, there it is, the tweezer bottom on a 5-minute chart. We're up all the way down here, almost $1. So I'm going to try to stay in this trade all the way up to the next resistance level, which is all the way up here at 17.79. Okay, there it is. Almost $2 right here, 188 pips on this gold trade. And I'm just going to exit as it gets close to this resistance level. I'll go ahead and take profit. I'm just targeting a minimum of $2, and I have that so far, or 100 or 200 pips. And there it is right there. And I'll pause the tape and we're just going to wait for the next sell opportunity, which I would imagine would be up here at the resistance level. So I'm going to exit this trade at 246 pips. And then we're going to wait till price reaches all the way up to this level of resistance, wait for another reversal candlestick pattern, and take the trade to the downside. Okay, I exited that last trade and I'm just waiting for price to reach this level of resistance up at 179. And if it prints a reversal candlestick pattern like it has in the previous 2, 3, 4 candles, then I'll enter a sell position and just try to capture a minimum of 25 pips or $2 on gold. So we're just going to wait patiently and see if it does hit that level of resistance, and I'm pretty sure it will. Okay, gold has broken the most recent resistance level, so that means it's just going to continue till it hits another resistance level, and we just patiently wait for that reversal candlestick pattern. So if you can see in the past, starting from the beginning of the European session, we had this bullish engulfing. We took a trade, made 28 pips. We had a bearish dark cloud here and wrote it down, made 38 pips. Then there was a bullish Pearson line candle. And if you don't know candlestick patterns, it's fine. Smart Trader plots them for you. We take a trade here. It highlights it in red or green. Smart Trader platform does. 25 pips to the upside. Then waited for a resistance level to hit. Bearish dark cloud cover, sell, captured 25 pips to the downside. Again, I'm looking for about $2, a minimum of $2 per trade. And notice that I did exit that trade, gave us a bullish morning star pattern, and we rode this one all the way up here and made 35 pips. And no, I'm sorry. This was 20 pips, 28 pips on this one, 35 pips on the other one, on this one here. Squeeze the bottom, you bought it at the bottom, exited over here at 35 pips, continues to rally, not a problem. I'm more concerned about protecting my equity than staying in trades and making more money. So we're just waiting for that next retracement level. What we need is a reversal candlestick pattern, and Smart Trader will give us that. So we're just going to wait and see if it can reach these levels, 1785, 1784, and see if so. The Smart Trader platform gives you all these support and resistance levels. Okay, so we're going to wait patiently and see if we get a candle. It will be highlighted like this. For selling opportunities and buying opportunities, it'll be in green. Okay, so I don't have to sit in front of my screen. I can just come back every 5 minutes. We just look and see if a candle, reversal candlestick pattern has printed, take the trade, and target around $2 to $3 per trade. So far, we've made over 151 pips on the beginning of the European session. I'm just going to trade one more time before I pause this tape. Okay, the 5-minute chart is generating a dark candlestick at a resistance level. I'm going to wait for that candle to finish. If it turns into a reversal pattern, I'll go ahead and short. And again, we're targeting between $2 to $3 per trade. Okay, we have about approximately a minute before this candle closes. The stop loss is above the swing high. and we're going to target about $2 on this pair. You guys, I was going to take this trade all the way up at 1782, but I canceled it because it's finding support and resist previous support level. So that's it. Okay, so far 179 pips, and that would be on a regular standard lot. It would have been approximately $17,500, and on a mini lot, 1750. Okay, just using Smart Trader platform, candlestick patterns, and stochastics indicator.